Join Stella Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparation. Register today for Stellar Talent Search exam. Admissions are open for repeaters medical batch for NEET 2021.
Used to always say, next month mining will restart, next month mining will restart, but till now nothing has been done. Now Supreme Court has given order to restart mining. So I request the government of Goa to resume mining as early as possible.
हुवारात मोडिल्ली घरात जाग्यार घालूंक खंय मोठ्या प्रमाणात रेंव जाय. सरकारान कायदेशीर रेंव काडूंक मान्यताय दिवची.
To rebuild them, sand is needed. Please earmark places for sand extraction. And sand should be legally extracted so that sand is available and also the cost is affordable.
डबल ट्रॅकाचेर सरकारान खंय लोकांच्या मागणेचो विचार करचो.
People can change the government, so it is the duty of the government to change the decision when people are not accepting this double track. Otherwise, when elections come, legally, people will show you, they will show you the door at the time of elections.
प्रुडंटा खातीर सावयो डायस.